Hello, little kiddos. How are you today? I am Sandhya Sisodia, back with bedtime stories. What is the name of today's story? Let's see. A dog's advice to the donkey. Once there was a laundryman. He had a donkey and a dog. One dark night, Donkey heard a sound. It was no doubt a loud noise also made the dog wake up. He pricked up his ears straight and pointed sharply towards the sound, and again went to sleep. The owner's other pet, the donkey, noticed it and said in an amazed tone, "Why don't you bark? I am sure there are thieves." "It is better you mind your own business," said the dog. But the donkey, in order to prove his faithfulness, began to bray loudly. This, of course, frightened off the thieves, but also awakened the master, who came running. He was so furious at being woken up that he beat the donkey thoroughly with his stick. After the master had gone, the dog asked the donkey, "How do you feel for not paying heed to good friendly advice?" When a master is like that, one must think at best of oneself only, first and foremost. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is first think and then act, and don't do anything in overexcitement. Hope you like the story. I will be back with a new story. Until then, bye bye. If you love the story, like, share, and subscribe. Wait, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of new videos.